Welcome to the RVU OMM Mechanisms of Action series. This edition will look at the proposed mechanism of action of soft tissue technique. Soft tissue is a direct technique and is a form of myofascial treatment. It may involve several techniques, so let's briefly review which are categorized as soft tissue. There are 6 techniques typically included in soft tissue techniques. They include stretching, kneading, inhibition, tapotement, petrissage, and effleurage. There are 4 proposed mechanisms for soft tissue technique. The first proposed mechanism applies to all techniques of soft tissue and involves stretching and increasing the elasticity of shortened myofascial structures. Somatic dysfunction can result in abnormally shortened muscle length, hypertonic states, and distorted fascial tensions. Soft tissue techniques can stretch these myofascial structures, which restores elasticity. This leads to improved functional motion. Remember, osteopathically speaking, motion is life, and you can take that one to the bank, figuratively, of course. The second proposed mechanism applies to all techniques of soft tissue and includes promoting local tissue nutrition, oxygenation, removal of metabolic waste, and immune system response. Somatic dysfunction can result in abnormal autonomic, vascular, and lymphatic states. Soft tissue techniques promote vascular and lymphatic circulation, which travel within the fascial layers, leading to improved nutrition, oxygenation, removal of metabolic waste, and immune system function. The third proposed mechanism applies to all techniques of soft tissue and includes improving abnormal somatosomatic and somatovisceral reflex activity. Somatic dysfunction can result in local changes that facilitate reflexes systemically and increases sympathetic tone for the body unit. Soft tissue techniques improve circulation in areas of the body that are remote from the area being treated, which can also optimize overall autonomic tone. The fourth proposed mechanism applies primarily to tapotement, but to a lesser degree stretching and kneading, and includes providing a general state of tonic stimulation by activating the stretch reflex in hypotonic muscles. Somatic dysfunction of some musculature may present with hypotonia instead of hypertonia. Soft tissue techniques provide passive stimulation of stretch receptors, specifically annulospiral and flower spray endings of the hypotonic muscle, which provide feedback to the spinal cord via group 1A and group 2 afferent fibers. This feedback can then modulate the tone of the targeted muscle via alpha motor neurons, helping to activate the hypotonic musculature and optimize function. All right. So now you know how soft tissue technique works. And remember, as A.T. Still says, an osteopath reasons from his or her knowledge of anatomy and physiology. This has been an episode of the RVU OMM Mechanisms of Action series.